Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Peugeot 2008 Allure. Now of course this car does have the 1.5 HDI engine in, and you do get your LED daytime running lights. Then coming around to the side you also get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course are a 17-inch, and I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get on these alloys. Coming around to the rear, we've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up at the top there. Then inside the tailgate, we've got plenty of room inside of here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. And then of course you do have your underfloor storage just below, to which you can lower down just to increase the boot capacity, as you can see there. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we have part cloth, part leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've then got electric windows all round. Into the front we have your 6-speed manual gearbox. We have your climate settings just along here with your rear heated windscreen, your front windscreen defogger, central locking, aircon max, climate off, and then of course your volumes just at the end. Up to the top now we have your various audio sources just here. Your satellite navigation will be activated when your phone is connected via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You can adjust the climate control on here as well, and as you can see you have your options just here, so you can have Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink or Android Auto. Then over to the steering wheel, we have your media settings and voice assistant on the left. This little bezel controls your onboard computer. Over to the right, we have your source, station list, to which you set as your favourites, Bluetooth hands-free, and then of course you can go cycle through the audio presets just there. Your cruise control is below the indicator stalk just here, as you can see. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And then as you can see up top on your instrument cluster, this car has done 49,224 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Peugeot 2008, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.